Battle Drill Alpha 1 or 1 Alpha. Oversimplified? I don't know. I might change the volume. Anyways, all right, here we go. First, all right, these are your two different basic um, formations that you'll be moving in. The red, you have the wedge formation. The blue, you have the foul formation. Wedge is usually used to cover a wide area. Foul is used when you want to go through, like, for example, very thick brush or some type of very heavily wooded area where you wouldn't see your battle buddies to your left and your right, your partners. You wouldn't see them you wouldn't be able to see them. Less visibility, harder to control that area. All right. Um, in the orange, you will have Alpha Team usually. In the purple, you will have Bravo Team. This is a squad. Usually squads have about two teams on them. In this case, it has two teams, Alpha and Bravo. If you notice in the middle, there's black circles. Those are like extra party members. I call them extra party members. They're just extra people. It might be, for example, um, one person specifically to provide aid in case something goes wrong, or one person for communication purposes. That's pretty much the team setup. All right, I'm going to explain what this is showing. So this is Alpha and Bravo team with the squad leader in the middle. They are moving kind of like north, we'll say, and they start taking fire. The red lines are fire. They start getting shot at from the red stars over there. There's like two of them, for example. The green um, fluff-looking things. Those are like, we'll go with like trees, bushes, vegetation. Provide pretty good concealment. So they just start taking fire. Once you start taking fire, okay, you don't want to just shoot back. You want to first await for further guidance on whether you can shoot back. There's situations when you don't want to just shoot at somebody that shot at you. So that is the purpose for waiting. In some situations, you have to wait for authorization to shoot back. That is the right answer. You get shot at, you wait for authorization to shoot back. All right. So once you get authorization to shoot back, boom, everybody gets online. Alpha team and Bravo team with the squad leader, they are all on the same line. Everybody starts shooting back, keeping the bad guy's head down or stopping them from shooting at you in however way possible. All right, at this point, the squad leader makes a decision whether they want Alpha team or Bravo team to do what. In this case, in this scenario, squad leader decides that Bravo team is the flanking team. The squad leader always goes with the flanking team. The squad leader does not stay behind. The squad leader goes with the flanking team. That is very important. The squad leader is the leader. They lead the flanking team. All right. So while the squad leader and Bravo team are flanking, Alpha team is laying down heavy fire. I mean, they up the tempo of the rounds they are putting down range. They are laying down heavy fire, keeping keeping those guys that shot at them in trouble. They raising the tempo. They're shooting at them with everything that they got at this point. While Bravo and the squad leader move around to the next position. Follow the arrows. Boom. They go all the way around. All right. Once Bravo team and the squad leader are in position, they radio the Alpha team, letting them know that they are ready to move on with the maneuver. At this point, Squad leader is gonna control both teams, and a lot of things are gonna happen at the same time. All right. Squad leader and the Bravo team are going to move forward on the objective. The objective is are the guys shooting that whole area that they're in. That is the objective. They're going to push on that objective. They're going to push up to that objective. Once they push up to that objective, Alpha team is no longer going to be shooting at the bad guys. They are going to shoot kind of like at a 45 degrees, and the bad guys are going to think they're still getting shot at. They're going to be shooting. At that point, now that it's safe enough, the Bravo team that was flanking is going to move up to the objective. Now, they're not going to go on the objective just yet because Alpha team is still shooting, laying down that fire. Now that it's time for Alpha team to stop firing, so Bravo team and the squad leader can push through the objective and actually execute the flanking maneuver, surprising the enemy because they weren't expecting the good guys to be coming from that direction. They were just getting shot at from a whole nother direction. These guys just came in from behind them. Surprise. All right. After Bravo team and the squad leader have surprised the enemy, they're gonna move past the objective up to the limit of advance. After that happens, Alpha team that had stopped firing will get the authorization to press over the objective again, combing the objective area in a whole nother direction. 90 degrees, getting a good spread to clear the actual objective, making sure that everything is all the way it should be. Once again, stopping at that limit of advance. After they get up to the limit of advance, they're going to do a lot of things. Let everybody know what just happened. Let the proper people know what just happened. Letting them know they just took fire. They just, whatever just happened, they're going to send up the report. They could have already sent up the report already. In this situation, let's say they didn't have time. They had to do this fast. Now they get a chance to send up the report. If they have prisoners, they will take prisoners, keep accountability of everything, do a lace report, and send up a sit rep. And then, after everybody's taking accountability, making sure they still got ammo, they would decide on whether they can continue mission or they will wait for resupply or whatever course of action they choose to take. That is Battle Drill 1 Alpha.